Hey friends! Today we're drawing a cute glittery fish. We'll add some shiny colors too. Grab your marker. Let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay! First, I draw a round shape. This will be the fish's body. Next, I draw the dorsal fin on top. Then, I add a pectoral fin on the side. Now, I draw the caudal fin. That's the tail. Very important part, the eye. Let's give our fish a mouth so it can eat. Now I draw some scales to make the fish look more real. And finally, I add some bubbles around it. Wow, the drawing is complete. Now it's time to add some colors. First, I pick white for the fish's iris. Then, I choose black for the pupil. Looks great! Now I pick a golden color to paint the whole body. For the scales, I use brown to add some texture. I pick orange to color all the fins, tail, and mouth. And finally, I choose blue for all the bubbles. Amazing! Our colorful fish is ready.